Don't get desperate and just try to sell whatever job you can for whatever price you can. No, you've got to run a profitable business. Hey guys, Abby Johnson here with Matterhorn Business Development. Today, I want to talk to you about how to build a profitable service business. And the key word here is profitable. There's no sense in building a business that does not have profit. I had a client come to me one time who had a $3 million business but was in the red. And that's no fun. That's just more stress and more sleepless nights. So I want to talk to you about how to make sure your business is profitable and how to be successful in that business. Really quick before I dive in, I wanted to let you know we have a free community called Growth Hub for Entrepreneurs. This is a place where you can interact with your peers, other business owners, but also we have free trainings in that community. We hold a free webinar every single month, so check that out below. Okay, so first of all, the secret to building a profitable service business is in fact being profitable. So we're gonna start there. This means you really gotta nail your pricing and your cash flow management. This is what I see a lot. First of all, people who try to do the high volume, low margin model. I have a video all about this and why I'm not a fan of it. But from the beginning, or at least starting right now or tomorrow, you really need to nail your pricing. Even being off by 10% can drastically change the trajectory of your business. So your pricing really needs to be on point and actually profitable. Don't get desperate and just try to sell whatever job you can for whatever price you can. No, you've got to run a profitable business, so you need to price it profitably. This might mean your sales skills need to improve so that you can handle price objections, but you need to have your pricing spot on if you want to have profitability. The other side of this is the actual management of your cash flow and management of your expenses. I'm certified in the Profit First system, so that's what I use with all of my clients. I highly recommend it, of course, but you've really got to be lean from the start, or at least, again, starting right now, this minute, you got to start running a tight ship when it comes to your expenses. I see a lot of business owners who start to get some success, and because all of the money's coming into one bank account, they aren't really thinking with their own salary, with taxes, with having a savings account or reserve for emergencies. They just see a bunch of money in their bank account and they run with it. So this could look like maybe over hiring more people than are needed, or with higher salaries than can really be afforded. I see this a lot, buying equipment or tools or just whatever items needed for the business, but kind of going a little too overboard with it. So buying an extra truck before, the business can actually afford it, or when they should have held on to that money for something else. So you've really got to master your cash flow. We actually have a whole Profit First training in the Growth Hub community. So again, check that out below if you want to master your cash flow. But I can't stress this enough. You've got to be lean from the beginning. If the money starts rolling in, that's great, but you got to keep it. You can't just run around, spending it all over town just because you got a little bit of success. If you want to be profitable, if you want to have security for yourself and your family, you've really got to nail down the finances and the numbers part of the business. I know you probably didn't start your business because you love numbers and finance. Most people don't, but this is just a skill and a muscle that you've got to build up as a business owner. Okay, so that's all about the profitable side of having a service business. Now, the other part of this is, how do you grow? How do you actually grow your revenue along with having that profitability secure? And really, in service businesses, it's not that hard, because all you have to do is beat your competition. And the only thing you have to do to beat your competition is to have better customer service than them. This means showing up when you say you will, doing what you said you would do. It's really that simple. That means when a lead comes in, you pick up the phone or return their call right away. That's how you beat your competition, is you get back to your leads before they can get back to them, because people are shopping around town. That means looking presentable, having maybe some branded shirts to actually look like a professional when you show up on the job. These are simple things that a lot of people just aren't doing. I could call probably 10 businesses in the same industry, let's say it's roofing or HVAC or whatever, and I bet you there would be a percentage that don't pick up the phone or don't get back to me for a few days or something along those lines. So be the person that picks up the phone, whether that means you have to hire someone or hiring an answering service. It is vital that you are getting back to your leads and getting back to your customers right away. You may have started a business because you were looking for financial freedom or time freedom or some sort of personal goal like that, but your business business is really about who you're helping and who you're serving. So you need to be on top of that. You've got to be really good. Your employees need to be really good and trained in fantastic customer service. Take care of your customers and they will take care of you. All right, hopefully this sparked some ideas for you and was helpful for you. Again, I want to invite you to join us in Growth Hub for Entrepreneurs. We have trainings in all areas of business, sales, marketing, organization, employees, everything you need. We are doing monthly trainings on in the Growth Hub. So make sure you click below and join us there. Otherwise, I'll see you in our next video.